gather today not only to remember Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., but to thank God for a servant leader who answered a divine call to love, justice, and righteousness. Dr. King believed that God's will was for all of his children to be treated with dignity and respect. His dream lives on whenever we choose unity over division, humility over hatred, and faith over fear.
Dr. King wrote this in 1967. Today, our very survival depends on our ability to stay awake, to adjust to new ideas, to remain vigilant, and to face the challenges of change. Together we must learn to live as brothers, or together we will be forced to perish as fools. We must be connected.
O believers, be ever steadfast in your devotion to God, bearing witness to the truth in all equity, and never let hatred of anyone lead you to injustice.
God of peace, justice, and unity, remind us that we are one human family, created in your image, and bound together as siblings in your care. Help us to see one another with compassion, listen with humility, and act with courage. May our lives reflect your call to love our neighbors, walk in truth, and work faithfully for a more just and united world.
Community isn't built just in extraordinary moments. It's built in ordinary moments, and we build them in our families when we choose patience over pride, listening over defensiveness, and forgiveness over resentment.
As students, we form a diverse and vibrant community. We do not enter this community by proximity, but by virtue of a shared Jesuit vision, to pursue higher truths, obtain greater knowledge, and strive for a better world. In this endeavor, we fail by our individual ambitions, but by our discovery of each other. We find higher truths when we seek to understand the complexity of our neighbors' identities, and we begin to strive for a better world when we build a stronger community.
Dr. King didn't ask us to be perfect. He asked us to be committed. He asked us to be committed to justice, to peace, committed to one another. If we choose connection over contempt and courage over fear, then we not only honor Dr. King's legacy, we live it.